Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're unpacking India's massive, absolute boom in embedded systems and automation.
So, ever wonder who actually controls your washing machine or car engine? Spoiler alert, it's not magic.
That invisible tech running our lives? Yeah, it is literally desperate for skilled engineers right now.
Enter embedded systems. Basically, it's a dedicated mashup of hardware and software doing specific real-time jobs. We're talking the brains behind electric vehicles, life-saving medical gear, smart factories, and even autonomous robots.
This whole shift, it's called Industry 4.0, and it's rapidly accelerating digital adoption across India. Massive pushes like Make in India and the EV explosion are fueling a seriously stable job market.
And hey, as you level up your skills here, those salary bumps get incredibly lucrative.
Unlike standard software devs, embedded engineers nail that sweet spot between hardware and real-time software ops.
Plus, this specialized knowledge creates demand across multiple industries. You are definitely not boxed into one sector.
Global heavyweights like Siemens, Bosch, and Tata Elxsi, they are aggressively hiring for these exact skills.
Okay, so what technical chops do you actually need to snag these high-paying, in-demand roles?
You absolutely gotta master the foundations: embedded C programming, microcontrollers, and real-time operating systems.
To tackle automation, you'll also need PLC programming and the SCADA systems running smart factories.
Breaking in takes a roadmap. Start with C and electronics, then build actual real-time hardware projects.
Sources highlight that effective training pairs an industry-aligned curriculum with hands-on experience building real tech. At the end of the day, embedded systems are the irreplaceable backbone of our modern industries.
So are you going to keep just consuming technology, or are you ready to actually build the future?